Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use data bars in Excel. Graphical features such as data bars highlight important values in the table and emphasize how these values are related. We'll also discover how easy it is to edit data bars or place them separately in an individual column. Let's get started. To display data bars, first, you need to select the relevant data, the data that should be taken into account when creating the graph. Then go to the Home tab, find the group Styles, and click on Conditional Formatting, which contains multiple useful features for clear graphical data representation. Here, we'll choose the option Data Bars. In this window, you can choose the color and type of the data bars. For example, you can decide whether you want them to be gradient or solid. As for the color, let's choose green for now. If you ever need to edit the data bars, click anywhere within the selected data range. Then go back to Conditional Formatting and find the option Manage Rules. In this pop-up window, click on Edit Rule. Now, you can see everything you can change in the data bars design. Let's discuss the basic features here. In this section, you can additionally change the color of the bars depending on your needs. I'll choose, for example, blue. If there are any negative values in the table, click on the Negative Value and Axis Settings button, and you'll be able to set a color for negative numbers. Red is the default option, but of course, you can choose any color you need. Click on OK, and then click OK again to confirm the changes. As you can see, our data bars turn blue. Let's try changing the December value to a negative number and see what happens. The negative value is now represented by a red bar. And what's even better, you now know how to change it if needed. Let's move on. Imagine you want to remove data bars completely. What to do? Go to Conditional Formatting again and select Clear Rules. Go ahead with Clear Rules from entire sheet, and that's it. You've successfully removed data bars from the table. Last but not least, here comes the question of how to place data bars in a separate column. In our case, column B. First, we need to get the values from column C to column B. Click on cell B3, type in the equal sign, and mark cell C3 as the source cell for the value that should appear in column D. Now, click and drag the bottom right-hand corner of this cell up to the point where you need the formula to be copied. Now we'll go through the steps you're already familiar with. Select the relevant cells, go to Conditional Formatting, then Data Bars, and pick the color. Here's an important piece of advice. If you want the data bars in column B to display without the numbers, you'll need to do that through Edit Rule, just as we did before. So select the range, go to Conditional Formatting, then Manage Rules. Click on Edit Rule and make sure that the option Show Bar Only has been selected. Click on OK to confirm, then OK again. Well done! Data bars appear clearly in a separate column. But if we change any value in column C, it will show on the bar in column B too. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.